How to change name in Gmail. So if you want to change your Gmail name or you want to change your Google profile name, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Mark you need to note that changing your Gmail name is going to change your YouTube name. It's going to change your Google photo name, Google Meet, Google Maps, everything that has to do with the particular Gmail account. This is going to change it. So if you really want to change your Gmail name or your account, all you just need to is go ahead and open a browser. Then on the browser, go to account.google.com. And then you'll be prompted to sign into your Gmail account. Now I want to sign into the Gmail account whose name you want to change. As you can see, I have my name. So this is my name. And to change your name in Gmail, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on personal information. Then once you selected personal info, you're going to see your basic info, your profile picture, and then your name. Then click on name. Hang on, then here you should see your name. So this is my phone name. This is how my name is displayed. And then this is my nickname. Now to change your name in Gmail, go ahead and click on name again. Then once you click on name again, hang on, you'll be prompted to verify it is you. Click on continue. And if Google sent you a verification code or a prompt to accept on your phone, make sure you accept the prompt before you can change your name. Then you'll be taken to where to change your Google name. Now the next one to do is just go ahead, delete your first name or delete your last name and then change the name accordingly. And once you change the name, go ahead and click on the save button. So once you hit the save button, this is going to change your name on Google as well as on your Gmail account. So that is basically how to change name on Gmail. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.